Can you guess what kind of car I just got? Well, I love it and I want to keep it clean. So my husband got me this Fanttik vacuum here on the TikTok shop. You can charge it directly in your car, which is really nice, so I don't have to take it in the house to charge it. It does have a really strong suction, so it cleans really well. It's small and compact, and it has a ton of different attachments. As you can see here, it comes with an extra filter, but it's got all the different attachments so that you can use them. It's got the charger, and it has these where you can clean the vents. This one here is going to be perfect to get into all those little nooks and crannies that are hard to get that dust and dirt out of. Let's see how long I can keep this car clean.